Hello, beautiful souls! Welcome to my channel where we chase away those pesky headaches with the magic of yoga. Today, we're diving into 8 yoga poses specifically designed to help relieve headaches and migraines. These are my go-to poses when I need to ease the tension and find some peace. So grab your mat, a bottle of water, and let's get started on kicking that headache to the curb. All right, lovely people, let's begin with child's pose, or as I like to call it, headache's worst nightmare. This pose is a fantastic way to alleviate stress and tension, especially those pesky headaches that seem to come out of nowhere. It's a simple yet powerful pose that anyone can do, regardless of their yoga experience. Kneel on your mat, big toes touching, knees hip-width apart. This foundational setup is crucial for ensuring that you get the most out of the pose. By keeping your knees apart, you create space for your torso to fold forward comfortably. Now, sink your hips back towards your heels and walk your arms forward, resting your forehead on the mat. This movement helps to elongate your spine and stretch your back muscles, which can often be tight and contribute to headaches. Feels good, right? Imagine your forehead melting into the mat, releasing all that built-up tension. This gentle pressure on your forehead can stimulate a relaxation response in your body, helping to ease any headache pain. Breathe deeply here, feeling the gentle stretch in your spine and the calming energy flowing through you. Deep breathing is essential as it increases oxygen flow to your brain, which can help reduce headache symptoms. Child's pose is like a warm hug for your nervous system, easing you into a state of relaxation. This pose activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and digestion, helping to counteract the stress response. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, allowing your body to surrender to the ground. As you hold the pose, focus on letting go of any remaining tension in your body. Feel the support of the ground beneath you and allow yourself to fully relax. When you're ready, slowly come out of the pose by walking your hands back towards your knees and lifting your torso. Take a moment to notice how you feel. You might find that your headache has lessened or even disappeared. Child's pose is a wonderful tool to have in your self-care toolkit. It's easy to do, requires no special equipment, and can be done almost anywhere. So next time you feel a headache coming on, give child's pose a try and see how it works for you. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, your body has an incredible ability to heal itself, and sometimes all it needs is a little help from you. Keep practicing, stay mindful, and take care of yourself. Namaste. Next up, we're flowing into cat-cow pose, because we're giving that headache the boot. This pose is a fantastic way to alleviate tension and stress that often accumulate in the neck and shoulders, which can be major contributors to headaches. By moving through this gentle flow, you'll not only help to ease your headache, but also promote overall spinal health and flexibility. Come onto all fours, wrists directly below your shoulders, knees below your hips. This alignment is crucial for ensuring that you get the most benefit from the pose while avoiding any strain on your joints. Take a moment to feel grounded and stable in this position. Inhale, drop your belly, gaze up, and arch your back like a happy cat. As you do this, feel the stretch along your spine and the opening of your chest. This movement helps to counteract the forward hunch that many of us develop from sitting at desks or looking at screens all day. Exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, tuck your chin to your chest, and imagine you're a grumpy cat. Just kidding. But seriously, this rounding motion is excellent for stretching the muscles along your back and neck, which can become tight and contribute to headaches. Feel the tension melt away from your neck and spine with each movement. As you continue to flow between these two positions, notice how your breath guides the motion, creating a rhythm that helps to calm your mind and body. This flow is like a gentle massage for your back, releasing any tightness that might be contributing to your headache. Imagine each vertebrae moving fluidly, creating space and relieving pressure. This can be particularly beneficial if you suffer from tension headaches or migraines. Keep flowing with your breath for 5 to 10 rounds, finding fluidity and ease in your movements. As you continue, try to deepen your breath, inhaling fully and exhaling completely. This not only enhances the physical benefits of the pose, but also helps to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Remember, the key is to move mindfully and listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort, adjust your position or take a break. With each round, you should feel more relaxed and centered, ready to take on the rest of your day with a clear head and a calm mind. Now let's find some stillness and silence, that headache with seated forward bend. This pose is a gentle yet effective way to calm your mind and ease the tension that often builds up in your head and neck. It's a perfect antidote for those days when your head feels heavy and your thoughts are racing. Come to a seated position with your legs extended forward. Make sure you're sitting on your sit bones, and if you need a bit of extra support, you can always place a folded blanket or cushion under your hips. This will help you maintain a straight spine and make the pose more comfortable. Inhale deeply, feeling your spine lengthen and your chest open. As you exhale, hinge at your hips and fold forward, reaching for your toes or shins or knees, wherever you need to be today. Remember, it's not about how far you can reach, but about finding a stretch that feels good for your body. No judgment here, just pure relaxation. Allow yourself to let go of any expectations and simply be present in the moment. Feel the gentle stretch along your back and the release of tension in your lower body. Let your head hang heavy, releasing any tension in your neck and shoulders. Imagine all the stress and tightness melting away with each breath. You might even gently shake your head yes and no to further release any lingering tension. This pose is like a calming balm for your mind, helping to reduce stress and quiet those racing thoughts that often accompany headaches. Visualize a wave of calm washing over you, soothing your mind and body. Stay here for 1 to 2 minutes, breathing deeply and surrendering to the present moment. With each inhale, draw in peace and relaxation. With each exhale, let go of any stress or discomfort. Allow yourself to fully embrace this moment of stillness and tranquility. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath, using it as an anchor to keep you grounded. Time to build a bridge pose that is. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Arms rest by your sides, palms down. Inhale, press into your feet and lift your hips towards the sky, creating a beautiful bridge with your body. Feel the stretch in your chest and shoulders, releasing any tension that might be lingering there. Bridge pose is like a gentle inversion, calming the nervous system and relieving anxiety. Because who needs anxiety when you have a headache, right? Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling your worries melt away with each exhale. Let's flow into downward facing dog, or as I like to call it, downward facing headache relief. Come onto all fours, then tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Press through your palms and lengthen your spine, feeling a delicious stretch in your hamstrings and calves. This pose is like a full-body tune-up, stretching and strengthening the muscles that often contribute to headaches. Pedal out your feet, finding movement and release in your body. Stay here for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the tension melt away with each exhale. Now, let's give that headache a good wrap with eagle pose. Stand tall, feet together. Bend your knees slightly and cross your right leg over your left, hooking your right foot behind your left calf. Now extend your arms forward and cross your right arm under your left, bending your elbows and bringing your palms together. Feel the stretch in your shoulders and upper back, releasing any tightness that might be lingering there. Eagle pose is like a gentle squeeze and release for your muscles, improving circulation and relieving tension. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then switch sides. Time to hang out, literally. From a standing position, step your feet hip width apart. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, hinge at your hips and fold forward, allowing your head to hang heavy towards the ground. Grab opposite elbows and just let go, feeling the weight of your head pulling gently on your spine. This inversion increases blood flow to the brain, which can help alleviate headaches. Stay here for 1 to 2 minutes, breathing deeply and enjoying the feeling of your spine lengthening. All right, amazing work, everyone. Let's end our practice with corpse pose, or as I like to call it, headache. What headache? Lie on your back, arms by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and allow your body to melt into the mat. This is your time to completely relax, release any remaining tension, and absorb all the benefits of your practice. Breathe deeply and let go of any thoughts or worries that may be lingering in your mind. Stay here for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing yourself to drift into a state of pure bliss. And there you have it, folks. 8 yoga poses to help you say bye-bye to headaches. Remember, consistency is key for the best results. So make these poses a regular part of your routine and watch those headaches disappear. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wellness tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.